pretties, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're back in my kitchen because we are going to be doing some more kitchen organization and unpacking. And is there anything else I need to say about that? I don't think so. It's a lot. You guys enjoy. I did get asked a lot of questions about my pots and pans and things, and so I will be linking that below. So yeah, I did link it below in the last video as well, but I forgot to tell you guys that it was linked below. And if I missed anything, just let me know in the comment section and I will try to link it. Good morning, guys. It's another day of packing and I'm making myself a little bit of breakfast to get me going. I wanted to make a shake and then I realized I never unpacked my blender. So yeah, I'm gonna look for my blender. I think I know where it's at, and BRB. Actually, I figured I might as well show you guys like the puzzle I have to go through. So my blender's in one of these pink topaz. We packed that like very last, along with my like Instant Pot. So it's inside this one. So I put clothes to pat it up. I know it looks like, what the hell, what kind of mess did you pack, girl? But I did it this way because this actually helps pad up the stuff without using too much bubble wrap and making the items too bulky and having to spend so much on bubble wrap, because we did get a roll of bubble wrap to wrap like the mirrors and things, but my mom was so nice. She wrapped my appliances, which was so nice of her. She didn't have to do that. I was just gonna pat it all up in clothes and go, because at the point of like packing certain things, I don't know if you guys have ever moved, but you get to that point where you're just like, I'm done, like throw everything everywhere, let's get out of here. I was so over it. I had been packing for 6 months now. Well, not really, like I packed my whole house 6 months ago, so we had a lot of things in storage, but the things that were not in storage was like a lot of things as well. So then I packed like all month since December, so it's been a lot of packing for me in less than 6 months, or like, you know, in 6 months. So I was over packing by the time I got to this stuff. So yeah, thank you to my mom for being so kind and helping me not lose my you know. Okay, let me find the ninja bullet, because it's in here. Okay, here she is. I don't believe I ever even showed you guys this, but I got her during Black Friday, I believe. I think I forgot to show you guys this because I think I did a Black Friday haul. I just can't even remember anymore, but yeah, I kind of got her because she was at a good deal. I think it was like Home Goods or something online, or like Marshall's online. If I can find it, I'll link it. But it's the breast cancer awareness one, and of course we love to support a good cause, and it's pink, so I mean, win-win situation there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and blend a smoothie. Breakfast is made. I'm going to go ahead and eat, and then we're going to get to some more unpacking. Okay guys, I've gone through more boxes and I found my cups and a lot of my utensils and baking things, and I might be decluttering some things because I have like 2 of these which I don't need. I'll probably keep the KitchenAid, and then I have like, where is it? But yeah, I have an extra blender. It's a little dirty because we had these boxed away. So, but I got my NutriBullet, so I might not need that. So if things that don't fit, I will probably declutter. However, I do like to have like little backups because, well, I've had a lot of these little blenders and some of them, they just go bad quick. So this one surprisingly lasted me a very long time. It's from Amazon. It was like $40. So I will link it below if you guys don't want to spend the money on the NutriBullet. But I still got the NutriBullet because it was a good deal and I always wanted one. So I went ahead and got that. But yeah, like I don't really need 2 of them, although it's nice to have backups, but not necessary, you know. So I'm going to see what fits, and if it starts getting cluttered, I'm going to get rid of stuff. I also found my cups over here, which are gonna go up in this cabinet, and then I found my mugs, which are inside of this box. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Fun fact, one of my friend's husbands is a manager at a McDonald's. in my hometown, and so they gave us all of these mac fries boxes. Okay guys, I found another box of glass items that might be mugs, but I also, let me look at my backpack. I also put all of our mugs to wash. The reason why I'm washing all of these is because they were stored in our shop storage place for so long. Like, they're dusty. I'm sure dust got into them, and I would just rather make sure everything's rinsed and clean. So I don't think there's gonna be room for any more mugs, but we gotta unpack this. So we're probably gonna load this dishwasher 2 or 3 times today to get everything clean and ready to go. Also, I found all of my pantry things here, and this is gonna make grocery shopping easier because at this moment my brain is mush with everything we have to do, and it's just hard to know what to buy because I can't think of anything. So it's gonna be nice to have these labeled so I know, like, okay, we need pasta, cereal, you know, like, we know what to get. And then those will be organized inside this pantry, which goes all the way to the ceiling. So yes, so I put together the bar stools earlier that we got in the mail. These are from Amazon. I will link them below. And I put the second one on backwards, so babe is fixing it. These are so pretty. I am obsessed with them. They're just so luxurious looking, and they're so affordable, so that's the best part about it. So I'm going to link them so you guys can get your hands on them because they're just way too pretty. And this is how unpacking the kitchen is going, guys. I have too many mugs. Like, we gotta declutter some mugs. I did have her light a candle in the middle of the mess, and there's more stuff there. I have the dishwasher running like all day trying to get everything washed. So we might continue this vlog tomorrow because it's just gonna take a while to get all of this washed, and I don't think you guys want to see me put all this in the dishwasher and wash it over and over and over again. So we'll see you guys tomorrow whenever I get to put away everything and organize and do the fun part. Okay guys, I've been washing all our dishes, but Manny decided to put together our couch. We also put together our living room back there, and you guys can see that. But yeah, that's what we're doing, and still working on the dishes. I think these finished, so I gotta put these away. And that's probably what we're gonna do for the night, and we're gonna wrap it up. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Almost finished this snack before I thought about sharing it with you guys, but this is the Oikos 000 15-gram protein yogurt in vanilla. And I slice apples and I use the yogurt as like an apple dip, and it is the best snack ever. It is so good. It's so yummy. Try it out. Comment down below if you do. Let me know what you think, because this is probably my favorite snack right now. Big like sweets person. I have a huge sweet tooth, so stuff like this is like everything. I find something that's really good, sweet and healthy, I'm just like, I will obsess over it forever. So another little thing I like to do with this yogurt, because you could do so many things with yogurt. I like to crumble chocolate chip cookies, like 1 or 2 chocolate chip cookies in it, and that kills like my chocolate craving, because I love chocolate. So yeah, just a little healthy snack, not as healthy with the cookies, but you know, still healthier than just binging like 5 or 10 cookies by themselves, if that makes sense. Okay, I want to give you guys a little kitchen update. So we made bacon this morning. This is our like Ninja air fryer, grill. It does everything. Literally, it does everything. Air crisp, dehydrate, roast, and bake. It does everything. It's really cool. It was pricey, but worth it, because everything comes out amazing in this thing. But yeah, I want to give you guys an update, everything I've done. I unboxed, I will actually overlay it right here, but I unboxed some more Paris Hilton goodies on my stories. I think I even uploaded a shorts here on YouTube of it. But yeah, it came with this adorable cutting board, adorable knives. So I still have not organized this. I ordered a silverware organizer on Amazon. It comes in tomorrow, so there will be another part of this kitchen organization. There probably will be many parts, to be honest, of me organizing this apartment, but for now it's just mainly unpacking everything and getting everything out. You guys, I didn't want to show you guys me dishwashing everything. Like, I just feel like that's boring, but I did put some things in here, like my extra blender. I feel like I still have so much room, so, and I've pretty much unpacked almost everything, so that's good news. We have some extra things in here. Again, none of this is gonna stay this way. Everything is just kind of like placed where it needs to go. Oh yeah, I took my spices out of this drawer. I decided I'm gonna make this the coffee bar drawer, just because I did unbox my Nespresso. So excited about that. And I'm gonna set up my little coffee bar area with you guys in the next part of this. But I also found my KitchenAid. Also, all of my mugs and cups are finally in the cupboards. We love that. Spices ended up going in here for now. Might leave it like this, might find a better solution. I do have some left over on this side, so they don't all fit, but they didn't all fit in the drawer either. They're bothering me, which is why I moved them. I did put some bowls up here. And then I figured I'd show you guys all my glassware. We do use our things, so there's some missing. But yeah, I have my little blender things there for my blender, my smoothie maker. And yeah, that's everything pretty much, you guys. I feel like the rest is just kind of a mess. Oh yeah, I also found my pink teapot. Love her, so we put her there. These pots actually go in here. I already showed you guys I'd put there, but then I wanted to take an Instagram picture, so I took them back out, so that's why they're on top. Anything really in the pantry, I just hung my apron there. But yeah, I found all my containers, so this will be another video of me organizing the pantry, more than likely, because the pantry is like chaotic right now. We did get some more groceries. So we have more groceries now, but yeah, I didn't bring you guys along to that because I don't even know why, to be honest. I should have, but I didn't. I did put like a little pink kitchen towel to dry your hands, and then I just washed my juicer, so that's sitting right here drying. Some clean dishes in here, I do gotta put those away. And I did get y'all's comments about like the pink silverware. I didn't have a dishwasher where I lived before, so I didn't know that the dishwasher would make the pink peel. Luckily, it didn't make it peel this time, but I will no longer be putting these in the dishwasher so that this pink part doesn't peel. Along with my knives, I won't be putting my knives in the dishwasher either, because a lot of you guys told me that that will make them dull quicker. So thank you guys so much for all the tips. As I told you guys, it's been a long time since I had a dishwasher. So I think the last time I had a dishwasher, I lived in Dallas, and that was like 5 or 6 years ago already. So thank you guys for all of the tips. Truly appreciate you guys. Y'all saved my pink silverware, so thank you. Yeah, that's everything. Alright guys, that was everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little unpack with me today. I know I'm doing these in like little parts and stuff, but I also have school right now, so I'm also doing like studying in between like all the unpacking. I have good news though. I got my desk, like my work studying desk, so I'm going to do a vlog setting that up, and then hopefully we can do some like study with me portions to these unpacking videos, and I can give you guys like a full like vlog of my day or whatever. And yeah, maybe I can take you guys with me an adventure. Funny story, I left my vlog camera batteries in Texas, so I go back to Texas Saturday because I have an appointment. We'll catch you guys up on that in another video, not in this one, but yeah, I have a appointment there. But yeah, if you notice something funny about like the way I'm talking or my smile or why I'm not smiling so much, it's because I broke a veneer. So yeah, it's not that noticeable, but like I notice it, you know what I mean? A veneer missing, so it is what it is. So yeah, if it sounded or looked like I'm talking weird or not smiling as much, that is why. Alright guys, if you stayed until the end, leave me this emoji. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.